Cargo hold cleaning of bulk carrier can be a challenging task, especially for a less experienced crew. However, speed and efficacy in cleaning could be the difference that lands bigger charter and contracts. At TECO Chemicals, we provide full service cleaning or shore gangs to vessel operators in port. This ensures we are equipped for even the most complex bulk cleaning procedure. IMO certified chemicals and a range of efficient equipment ensure both speed and security. In addition to that, we provide experienced on-board cleaning support with our riding crew. TECO's highly trained crew are professionals. They sail with you to ensure your vessel's cleanliness and integrity in transit. With our presence across more than 40 countries, we can serve our customers where they are. Greater value with greater efficiency. This is the TECO promise.